Ubwansu bw'Umugusii.
Miyamana na ndo mwanchio muligererio Ndizi TV kero kurokuwe na kwande mna nogendret kwego kikuwati mirobirionsi yegeta senye keiga ime aserit koria lero ritkoria Jumapili ni ocharagire Chinsa Ikomi tiabona mogoroba jinga kingo kwarigania SMS Amayia manyebuna na raya na kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge gendra gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na bigase website yeto nigora sanga manento wetra www.ndizitv.net ero togendere kumanyia amankere triane Everlyne Osero uliokoine kia chipicha nero gicha wikira senchira bena nigakoro kwa sara mumanye ngo kwariganyo be kugusanga amonanche goika omwerio. Chingaki matuko gose Chinsa chigendrete kubaroke imerio muraibense Dr. William Samuel Togo chake taro yaye Osero gonko Gusii asekirenga yo kwigure mirubiro au yamagendro nigo abamenyi korwase Chinsemo chia kenyerere iyo gotoka sebunge ya kitutu masaba county Nyamira abwase umuraibense arachwekirana ababeire ba kumwarigania bene na kwenekia gose kutwara gosemeria na nigo barachie kwenyorera amagendero ase obunke nigo baigo babere baote obna sensemeyo baraboti baganetie gose tubarwe sona na maganage siasa akorende nigo baganetie magendro asbagendret kumwakiro muraibense Dr. William Samuel Togo kubwatikana no mukia agendrete bokubeka gosibo kweneke magendro Chinsemo imense ya Kenya
atoye chagerie nderinda abantu baitu bakonyeke taliera yoka ndubwate ibintu gete binge nonya buna bamintu barure gotieka gukwana gaiga ndutagete chistima aserie yikikerekera omonto ndumaite ngangiraika para gaiga ne yemo yoka tubwate ya edire yelami ndutagete nonero onye konyarikana babwatira ne no mojumbe na solicitor general egere binde bina itubito ikere ndundo tubwati siasa asebono ga tubwati siasa asekenyero yigere toroje tagete kobeka omo Kenya abo muntu oyomo tolengereria mangana ya magendero na ndinga kyo Kenya go agokonyeka aseigo igongwa abili gojesa abantu baito mambi twese bito ikegaiga nto igumangana ndonsi to aliganio mo president yeito egere tumuburie ali aranyara gotokorera otherwise ndatebe ngambu ya mono twariganirikero omuntu gojagaiga kenyerere mambi asante sana
samarie tangoro kwa Agnes Keruborioki koruri goma eriene yaito gaiga kenyerere ne linde ongoro kwechokora watu achire igasengeje yomogoko manene omugambo wito Samuel Ruto agocha ase kenyerere asengejo ya magenderero otoretere college igotori no mogoko manene na solisto mitombi yamana asengeje gasengi yogokora asokorete president yaito gaiga igono gukumio konene gaiga risabwe kerwo ikirie president yaito gaiga igo twariganeti abantu baito bonsi pi baikega iga kenyerera twarigani president yaito na baminto barabe nabwo nabo igo president yaito gotoko gosaba nantu abangina watoteti mama mboga kakyo inyore otororere byombe otorutere ekogere wateta aye bottom up ogochakera inse na enda maene twarure gasi yao gokora nigerengiya bono ntuga amangana siasa tayo igototageta magenderoroka serikali yaito ya UDA biyamono tianya sago seni ntokwariganiti mambi no mogoko manene
Chinga kiechoni gabara iwaigo kurwase county ya Kisii gatiabo mwemsebe wadi ebeno stivarika beirega goteona nigo bamwariga nitikigima omurai wense erioko baenekeria amagendera se county ya Kisii ase aganirie abamenyi be county ya Kisii kumwarigania senchira ere ya maskani yanena soko enekia obo toereru asinga kiechoni gomoriki intenenera bwikama kia UDA ase county ya Kisii Darius Mosoti abeirega kubasaba abarai kurwase ensemo ya Gusii kwenekia abuna ngo sababare amagendero ayo arakonya abakenya bonse natali barabo abanyene nabo kweneki abuna ni go burendi obotingu bwabere bokobekwa asokweneki obotero rukinga kicetaro ya eruto
sebe kwa dibe no namoko monene kere president ya Republic ya Kenya agocha gututalira kiagera kera mugenya agocha tumwarigani na maskani tomoro kyubwanchani egere atoe ikirikinda bisete enseye gagwika oburayi bosikwe nande oburayi ne pipiri na begoteba bantu acholi no mwanya bantu ba maskani yabo igonto warigante president yeto no mu jumbo ito zairi janda na tutaito mugeni ngochale na intubu na nyaribali topena biti go etere para MTC na kende kerabe yonsin togarigani abantu bonse tatu yarigani asoma goko na suwanjeni obolene twarigani president yeto Dr. William Samoei Ruto kagocha Gusii yeto
igonara gotebia abamenyi baito ba Gusii ngima amona abaraibe chingenjo awa abaraibe serikali abaraibe upinsani mwensi people y'abananchi twabakaribishire go chakara ankyo as constituency chirichon spear president yego chigoeta nigo tutete ko bakikishira oburendi bwo gukumya ekiagire mekakati oburendi yabekro isaine na ndibura mumanyete Gusii nense yo mwando ense y'abantu babwate ebirengeri biya bale bisi gokoregasi yabo mbabwate ebirengeri byo gosalia igo omurayi obere well briefed you will be here as from tomorrow tware ko basabanga abantu ba minto mwensi pia so bonge mochiche the situation will be very calm tokaribisho murayi bwense achaka gukora amagendero ebintu binge mbira bigo chakokoruaga igachipara nko iguruchire nko chakatura mangana ri estima tukoro karirek nko chaka ebintu birago chakoiguraga igabuna bono cancer center nko igurago changoro char koronche birasi biribya bya Kuwait nebintu mbire bingago chakokora igo tware ko basabanga abarayi balimo go chakonyora chinga kicho gukwana ekero murayi bwensara boria ebintu biribirengeta abantu baito yakoboria ebintu bikorengetaye borie bintu birengete
ase chinga kyecho musoto bego nigabereka gukwanirego ryo butenenelwe kiama kia UDA ase county ya Kisii nako mumochiae gati abari abakweroka koba abarayi korengana nere nigo babete bakubekari uko eryo rikoro kia bunambara bye babwente butenenera kiama kyo chinga kibono bero berete gucya gukora obochori eryo ko bachora abarayi bare abaya barabe bakubatenera semiro bero yabo nigo abwerega kubatwege kuro ucyasonde bwensi yorachkwebeka soburayi na utana nigarache ko mukirwa igetamkero na kugania abana chama gotabwatia emero bero gose utabwatia gochika kwa baria batari abarayi
ya members baito be chama yedu ya UDA Gusii ngimase yabeta igorontu atangasa asiri yuko twali igete une chama umondo naro korokunga Charles Nyamwange konyo okweroka nge manager ya Kisii County ye chama amono mondo ndokoro kukare bondieki konyo okweroka nge administrator ye chama onari komanyia abantu ba Gusii ngimanga biroge bintu ntobibwatia system ye chama na ndabantu abukonya bagutumeka marieta yo konako abantu konako korera abantu bocheuri botagwenerete igona kitwara gutangasa officialiga abantu abukorontu abaete onyo mbali authorized gokora end transaction ye chama omuntu authorized gokora transaction chama asa mangana yo office no muntu okoro ku Ezekia Bosire na robete gazetted bweka igobuna acting secretary general ona bekire ngane ye very clear abantu abumbata kiri ukora biashara binde byonsi ase chama na ende toke bagakora end transaction go bakomeye kuchingwa
muri kimanene ya sensemo ya masomo ya kirengo Keigoro Beatrice Muganda ni gabirga utuguterare engana yo komentwa we school fees ase university askeria tebire buna chi university au imense ya Kenya anige serikali yabegete mirubiri mekiranu yo koenekia buna yabereke okyaneria abaiburi egurube yo wakana school fees na koenekia buna abaiburi bonse ni barande barabe bagokonyeka korengana numurubiri ywe serikali ni gobo igobaga ndionde gotatwara obwaba abo komentero achibesa na kugania aboroki wa kugendera kweri kero che kugendereria na masomo abo.
There is no university or constituent university college that was charging 16,000. For majority of us, on average, we were charging between 50,000 and 70,000.
Kwa mpangilio uliokuwa wa zamani wa DUC, mwanafunzi alikuwa analipa kama tuition fees yenyewe 16,000. Alafu anaongeza fees kutumia kwa matumizi mengine kama matumizi ya library, ya ICT, ama watu wanapoenda nje kufanya practicals, mazoezi ili kujifunza namna zingine za kufanya kazi. Walikuwa wanalipa viango vingine na chini hapo inapata mwanafunzi aliyekuwa analipa chini kabisa alikuwa analipa 50,000.
And families only support their children by paying fees ranging from 5% of the cost of the program to 40% of the cost of the program. And I can assure you that families will pay as low as 3,000 school fees a semester for their children. So there's absolutely no reason why any child should not be able to access university education, should not be able to participate in any program ranging from medicine to agriculture.
Aba bwatani korwa sekiombe getenerete chinyomba chobora lya Media Council of Kenya MCK nigo babiri bawe sokya na gukwanira igoro ye bikore ase abari kyamangana baba bako itwa chinga kibare asobokarya nene chinga kichokorobekana imeyense ya Kenya kurengana baraboni babiri bako yikirege kore kyo na goteba buna abariki babwente kwewa obusibori bwabo bwikirania obokoreri buna bantu bande bonsi asibagenderete komochya abanyanyimba bagutumeka chinguru igoro mono ase okubaumiza abari kyamangana nigo baterero na mbabwate chiroboti echibabere bakubeka ase bitase nibyanyimbo na no kwegena na obosibore mboje kwenekiwa asibali ababere bagotigerwa chingoma kubwatkana no goitona banyanyimbo.
What we have currently during this Gen Z riots, we have 24 cases of harassment of journalists. We haven't seen any prosecution as yet. Investigations are either ongoing or evidence gathering and all that, but we have 24 cases, recorded cases of journalists. And we've asked other duty bearers, IPO, ODPP, the Inspector General, to make sure that we investigate and bring to justice those who are attacking journalists.
On the matter of journalists being harassed, attacked, and the police action, I think it's clearly evident that there's need to find some solutions to these problems. Whereas journalists have a responsibility, the police have a responsibility as well. What is a middle ground? But where there are clear violations of press freedom, where people are being attacked in the open, I think it's important first the journalists themselves report these matters to the police and follow up with the subsequent statements that then can enable prosecution. We are asking the actors in the justice system to speed up the process because as long as these cases remain unattended, the feeling then is that those responsible are not taking this seriously. We want to see action, we want to see clear evidence of commitment by the relevant agencies to act on these cases.
Any abuse against journalists by the police should be investigated and should be really brought to book in terms of accountability, so that we can live in a country that really lives up to its constitutional tenets. Article 34 of the Constitution establishes free and independent media, which is a cornerstone of our democracy. Without that, we cannot make informed decisions, so we cannot be informed of our rights and our entitlements as a people. The last 6 months, there have been, so the complaints keep being received and registered. And so what we will do as a new complaints commission is now sit down.
Oyo kabeire omuwaziri bw'oburemi Peter Munyani gabeire gawasyoria egankayaye yokurwanirira obugavana imeye county ya Meru asobochori bw'umwaka w'2025 agukwana chinga kichoko ya bisie kyama kia PNU asensemo ya imenti North imeye county eyo ya Meru nigo munyabere kagoteba na wike county ya Meru ebege kwiraniwa asaronke aseboigo aganirie abarayi bali baterwekirania obokoreri bw'abasenchira ebwenete korwa birogo na koera na libagerio gochiase bali abarengete koreta amagendero yarani gago chamagaga yo mugavana oyorengo mugavana we county yo ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza ko kwa isiko asentunda ya gatatu korwa sekiroge kyo kubatkana na mamocho au gatiabo obutumekyo bobe buyabisi.
Yule alikuwa amefanya kazi, kama amefanya anaendelea, kama ameshindwa mtatafuta mwingine, si ndio? Kwa hivyo hiyo ni kawaida. Sasa sisi tumeanza harakati hiyo leo. Leo ndio tumeanza hiyo harakati ya 2027 hapa North. Wangapi wanataka tuanze hiyo safari? Hiyo safari iko shinda ya kuanza safari. na hiyo safari tutafika kwa uwezo wa Mwenyezi Mungu. Na kama kuna mtu alipewa kazi na mshinda atoke, si ndio? Kama umepewa kazi ya aina yoyote imekushinda, we toka, mwingine afanye nini?
Nekera matko agendrete koera irio chiskuru ko igurwa se tamya gatatu korengana ne kalenda ya masomo yo mwako yiga bwe 2024 nigo ababwatani korwa se kyombe kia bari mu Kenya Union of Teachers NAT abagendrete kogo sereria gochego chaka omogiro bayango bwatkana na kirwa gateba buna no gutekeraniwa akwegati ya magani abo korengana no koiwa no ko babete bakubeka bakora wono muri kyo monene bwe kiebyo kyombe kyo Collins Oyu nigo babere bakomochie kyombe ya Teacher Service Commission ase okubambya na watabno nyamagani yabo tago chikiraniwa ilioro tibago chia kogendera kuruwa bokoreri ase chiskuru.
Teachers of this country have been belittled. Teachers of this country are like not workers, not citizens. And I want to start by acknowledging the position you took as a branch. In the resolution, that without the implementation of the second phase of the CBA, teachers will not go back to work. If Teachers Service Commission shall not honor the second phase of the CBA, and because from where I speak, I want to operate as a Speaker of the National Assembly, will as many as the opinion that teachers don't resume work on the 26th.
Ekyombe kyabakore mirimo asense mu yobosombe bwembeho na segeti ya Jomo Kenyatta International nigo bagikeirie omuroberio obwo kondisha ubwo kondisegeti yechindege asuchia se company yemo imeyense ya buindi asegeka kemyaka emeronko 3 korengana barabwo nigo batere bunati bago chegwanchegeta mkirekyo kebeke gwikiraniwa asibago sereire go cheguturubania obokoreri asegeti yechindege ase okogenda umugiro.
We will be serving KAA and all the organizations within the aviation sector with a strike notice. On that same Monday in the morning, our members, especially from KAA, will not be available for duty for about 2 to 3 hours. From around 8 to around 11, because they will be joining the procession to their managing director's office, where we will deliver.
Umwanchi umurigeria ya munenda mange no tkenyora senchira ere yobikirano ekerera erarage enseyemo nabo igo Chinsa isato chiamo goroba yanda kuboti miroberonsi ya Ndizi TV asensemo ya Facebook watonyoro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube wetra Ndizi TV News nabo igase website yaito nora tonyoro wetra www.ndizitv.net ere togendere gusanga asobwamo ere triane Everlyne Osero uriya wene kyachibichenero gicha wekeire nigakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi koko ganiriya oburgereri buro bya semerobere kubwatya nabo igo imagoroba erentwerero.